Hello and welcome to Art Tips, the hub where we learn tips about art programming every day. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Also watch my other videos as the content there builds into where we are now. So this video we are going to talk about visualization in R, specifically looking at histograms. So histograms are used to represent the distribution of a data set or a variable, and it's used to understand the underlying shape of your data, including characteristics such as central tendency, the spread, and also skewness. So the function that we use for histograms in R is hist. In base R, that is. There are other ways to do it, but for this introduction, I'll just look at the basics, which is hist. And let's say we want to define the variable as empty cars, and we want to see the distribution of MPG. So if we run this, we see that it's giving us the histogram of MPG. And just as we looked in the plot function, we can define specific arguments such as the label on the y-axis and say that is miles per gallon. We can also define the title using main and say histogram of miles per gallon. So if we run this, yeah, we see that the title has been updated, and we also see, sorry, this is supposed to be the X, sorry, that's supposed to be the label of the X-axis. Yeah, if you run this, yeah, awesome. So there are other common customization options such as color. So for example, we want to change the color to blue. If we run this, we see the color of the bars changes to blue. Could be any color that you want, could be green. And this is great that RStudio shows you a preview of the color before you plot. Yeah, and then you can also change the border colors, colors of the bars. So let's say we want the border colors to be yellow, and then if we run this, yeah, you see the border colors have changed. So you can play around with this just to customize your histogram, just to get it to the aesthetics that you want. And then you can also control the line width of the bars, line width, using the LWD function. Let's say the L width, we want it at 2. We'll play around with that and see how that changes. If you run this, yeah, let's just have the default. Probably will be easier to tell how this is changing. And then if you add to 3, and if you add to 4, you can see that the axes are becoming bolder. So if you want to highlight some things or just want to change how your histogram looks, these are the things that you can look at. And then sometimes you want to define the number of bars that you have. We'll use the breaks function. Breaks. Let's just write it slowly so that we see the preview. So gives breakpoints between histogram cells. So let's say we want 4 breaks. If we run this, nothing happened. If we say 2 breaks, we see that it has changed to the break between at 20 and then the break at 30. If we want 6 breaks, we also see that it has changed, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's how to create breaks in a histogram, and we see especially how you can customize. Very important for quick visualization and also just checking how your data has been distributed. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos, like, share this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And bye bye for now, and happy coding.